up, everybody? It's Tioko with Vagabond Culture, your #1 source for everything travel, adventure, and lifestyle. Thanks so much for checking in, and our flight will be leaving in 2018, I traveled to 2 continents in just 10 days, Asia and Africa. This is just one part of the trip, and we're headed to Dubai, one of the 7 and most populated United Arab Emirates. Situated on the Persian Gulf, lying in the Middle East, a transcontinental region to the west of Asia, the largest continent on Earth. With the population exceeding 4 million, it's one of the most desired places in the world. With no options for non-stop flights from North Carolina to Dubai, there was a connection flight in Atlanta and a layover in Amsterdam. It's a good thing they served us dinner. 2 options, a chicken dish, and my choice, the pasta duet, a vegetarian meal. It wasn't half bad either, but wine makes everything better, right? We also woke up to a nice breakfast. I surely needed coffee after such a long flight. The combined time was roughly 17 hours to make it all the way to Dubai. We just made it to Dubai. Amber, Marquita, Robert. We are departing the flight. It is what? 11 o'clock at night. I'm tired. I'm going to bed. With our feet on the ground, we're welcomed by our private drivers in an Audi and BMW. That's one thing about Dubai. Everything is luxurious. Even our Uber ride was a Tesla. For now, let's get to the hotel so we can rest up for tomorrow. Located on Dubai Marina, the 5-star GROSVENOR house offers panoramic views of the ocean, personalized butler service, an outdoor pool, walking access to shopping and restaurants, minutes away from the beach, a 10-minute drive to Mall of Emirates, and Dubai International Airport is just 20 minutes away. This hotel is immaculate and outfitted with every amenity you desire. The beds are amazingly comfortable and the rooms are so spacious and luxurious. Welcome to the finer side of sophistication. Step into a world of refined heritage, suave elegance, and effortless chic. You have to stay here the next time you're in Dubai. The best time to visit Dubai is October and April. Dubai has 2 seasons, hot and hotter. The months between October and April, known as the winter season, brings blue skies and perfect beach weather to the city. It's also the rainy season, but typically rain showers don't last too long, so don't let this affect your travel dates. May is when true summer heat begins in Dubai. Dubai is home to some of the best beaches in the UAE. Jumeirah Beach is one of the most popular beaches. Soft stretch of golden sand, palm trees, and grassy areas makes it one of the most desirable beaches in Dubai. Not to mention, I saw camels for the first time. There are no camels on beaches where I'm from. You have arrived to the tallest building in the world, the Burj Khalifa, standing at over 160 stories. We booked the ticket for the experience, but unfortunately we weren't really able to see anything due to the sandstorms. It was still a beautiful experience and I really enjoyed it, but we'll definitely have to come back. The great thing about the Burj Khalifa is that it's located in downtown Dubai, right beside the Dubai Mall. So if you walk through the mall and down to the lower floor, you're able to see that and the Dubai fountains. If you enjoy my videos and have subscribed to my channel, you'll love my Instagram page. Be sure to follow me for amazing travel and adventure photos and videos. Follow me on Instagram at Vagabond Culture. I post weekly. Dubai is synonymous with shopping. There is nothing you cannot buy when shopping in Dubai. From gold to electronics, designer labels, and luxury items. The Emirate is packed with huge shopping malls, built side by side with older souks, where small shop owners sell everything from spices to clothing to carpets to rugs.
In Dubai with the secret floors and the secret passageways.
I found this very interesting that they had makeshift elevators to take you to a completely different part of the store. We had so much fun. Too much fun, to be honest. We've had a great time. We've done some shopping. Now it's time to check out the nightlife and head back to the hotel for Prosecco. Welcome to the world's most luxurious hotel. The distinctive cell-shaped silhouette of Burj Arab Jumeirah is more than just a stunning hotel. It's a symbol of modern Dubai. And for that reason, we all got fancy and dressed apart for afternoon tea. Burj Arab offers stunning views of the ocean, private beach access, luxury leisure on a breathtaking terrace with pools, cabanas, as well as 9 of the world's best dining and entertainment venues helmed by Michelin-starred chefs. Now we're headed to the Sky View Bar on the 27th floor for a 7-course meal and wine.
We're at the Burj Al Arab.
Having tea.
Having tea with the fam.
Cheers. Oh, we didn't even toast.
Oh, we did not toast. It's terrible. Let's do it now. Let's toast.
Let's toast to
I don't like it, but I'll toast to
let's toast to a great vacation.
Let's toast to, no, great life. What are you talking about?
Great life.
Experience the height of sophistication with magnificent panoramic views of the Palm Jumeirah and the Whirl Islands. Afternoon tea with delicate sandwiches, fresh pastries with cake served with delicious homemade jam, and fresh squeezed fruit juice.
Caviar, smoked salmon, and whatever else this is.
So I just tried caviar for the first time and it's not bad at all. It's really good with the smoked salmon. We spent roughly $250 a piece, but we didn't regret it at all. It was an amazing experience and I recommend it to anyone visiting Dubai. It may not be on your list due to the price, but it's like going to Venice and not taking a gondola ride because it's expensive. Just think about it. How often are you in a position to take a gondola ride? Or check out the Burj Al Arab, or take a camel ride? Live each day as if it were your last. Speaking of Venice and gondola rides, be sure to check out my Venice video after this one. It's amazing, breathtaking views, you'll love it. The desert safari is a must for anyone visiting the UAE. This adventure includes an entertainment lineup with a barbecue dinner included. Be prepared to be picked up by a 4x4 from the hotel an hour before the tour begins. You will drive through the desert, something called dune bashing.
Brace yourself. We are in the desert. Hold on.
Okay, big drop.
Gotta hold on.
It's fun.
You alright? You alright back there, bro? Queen, you alright? Amber, you good? She over here scared. Oh, shit!
Y'all got the seatbelt on?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whiplash!
You can also expect to go on a camel trek, try shisha, watch a fire show, belly dancing, and so much more. This has been the best $45 I've ever spent. Yes, only $45. The price for this experience can go upwards $200, but if you research enough, you can find an amazing deal for 1/4 the price, including the same amenities.
We in Dubai on ATVs in the sand dunes. You ready? Go! Peoples.
Seeing the beautiful dunes from the back of a camel makes your trip an adventure. This ride was pretty interesting.
I think this is French fries, but I don't know. I don't know what that is, but I'm gonna eat it. Our Shisha just came. Yeah. Hey. The strawberry shisha. It's our last night in the desert. Woo! Oh, I'm so sad.
As you can see, Dubai is amazing with a ton of entertainment. You definitely should visit if given the opportunity. Baby, until next time. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. You've just earned another stamp on your passport. Congratulations. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you're notified every time I post a new video. See you on the next trip.